literally bursting out of a warehouse on a dock in Mogadishu, while Somalis starve less than a kilometer away because relief workers cannot run the gauntlet of armed gangs roving the city. Confronted with these conditions, relief groups called for outside troops to provide security so they could feed people. It's now clear that military support is necessary to ensure the safe delivery of the food Somalis need to survive.
So in December 1992, the U.S. launched a military operation on the pretext of protecting the UN humanitarian effort. In 1993, U.S. forces tried to capture self-proclaimed President Adid, resulting in the Battle of Mogadishu. But the operation failed. 2 American helicopters were shot down, and their crews dragged